Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here tetraethylbenzene is given. You have to find the compound can give how many number of signal in the 13C NMR. Before finding the number of signal, you should know the fact that you should analyze the symmetry inside the molecule. If you look at blindly, you might commit a mistake. If you rotate the molecule a little bit, you know it has two plane of symmetry. So more symmetrical molecule will be less number of signal because the atom reflected in the plane will be magnetically equivalent and it will have same chemical shift. So if you look at it, it has only 3 signals. Due to the presence of two mirror plane, the compound only has 3 signals. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.